up guys, my name is Comic and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time coming to my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe so whenever I drop a new video you get YouTube gives you notification. So in this video I'm going to show you a technique. I'm going to show you a bot. I'm going to reveal for you the secret some bloggers and other people around the world are using to make blogs posts and to make other type of writing. So in this video I'm going to reveal to you a bot called Chatgtp that is being used to write all the type of documentaries and type of writing. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So first of all, we are going to Google. When we be here, you can just search google.com. So when you're on Google, just type open AI. So let's wait for it to load. After you have typed open API, let's tap Chatgtp. So before we go further, let me try to explain what Chatgtp is. Chatgtp is an artificial intelligence, a machine learning that is being used by people worldwide to help them in writing and coding. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you live how you can use Chatgtp to write for your application, to write for your CV, to write for your proposals, to write for your code if you're a developer. Because I've been using it of recently and I've used it to write for me code for a WordPress plugin, and the plugin is working correctly and there's nothing wrong with it. So let's continue. So you're going to scroll down and tap try Chatgtp. So it's still loading. If it's your first time, the website will ask you to create an account. For me, I've created an account before, so I'm just going to go straight into the demonstration. So here we are in the dashboard of the website. Here is where you write your question, you write your conversation. The bot will interact with you like a human being. Remember, this is not a human being, so make sure to feed it with the correct things you want it to do for you, because bots are not like human being who can sing, but depends on the data you feed into it. You know, this one is a computer, not a human being, but it's intelligent. That's why we are calling it artificial intelligence. So let's put it real quick, and I'll ask the bot to write for me an application letter. I am a teacher, as you know, so I'm going to ask the bot to write for me an application letter. So I'm just going to say write for me an application letter for the post of a teacher of English language and literature. So I'm going to ask the bot to write for me an application letter for the post of a teacher of English language and literature. So I'm just going to tap send message and the bot will start writing for me the application letter. Yes, I don't have to do anything, just have to wait for the bot to do its task. Then I just copy the work, then I paste it in Microsoft Word. I try to edit a bit, then I send to my employer. As you can see, the bot is doing its task. So let's just sit and wait. Yes, it has done its work already. So the bot has written for us an application letter. Dear employer, I am writing to express my interest in the position of English language and literature at your school. With a bachelor's degree in English language and literature, a teaching certification, I am confident in my ability to contribute to the success of school English program. Throughout my academic and professional experiences, I have developed strong skills in teaching, communication, and curriculum development. I have passion for literature and enjoy sharing my enthusiasms with my students. In the previous teaching portion, I have implemented innovative lessons plan, utilized a variety of teaching methods to engage and challenge my students. I have also had success in helping students improve their reading and writing skills, as well as their overall understanding and appreciation of literature. In addition to my teaching experience, I, has, I have also had opportunity to work with the students from diverse cultural and linguistic background. So I'm not going to read for you everything, but this what the bot can do is marvelous, it's superb, and people are even scared that this could take over Google, because if I am to go to Google, I just go and search and I start doing the research. Here the bot is here that can do for us literally anything. So I'm going to ask the bot again to write for me a proposal that I'm going to send to the organization asking for a grant. Assuming I have a small organization in Uganda here, so I want like to ask for grant for from other big organizations in America and in European countries. So let's ask the bot to do for us the task. So I'm just going to say write for me and write for me a proposal for my small organization asking for a grant. So okay, I'm just doing this video for demonstration. You can go and sign up. After signing up, you follow up with the bot. So I'm just going to do it just for demonstration. So I'm just going to tap send, then the bot will start writing for us the proposal. So let's wait. It's doing its task before us here. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Comic and welcome to my channel. Here I'm to share with you the latest technology working worldwide. So you can hit the subscribe button, and you like this video, you share it with your friends so that they can also know what is really happening in the world right now, because very few people is knowing about this bot. So make sure to share it. Share this video to very many people, to your friends, to the students, so that they can benefit from this bot. So they have the bot has written for us the proposal. So let's read through it. Dear granting organization, I am writing to request for a grant for my organization. I am a small non-profit organization based in city state you have to fill in. Was founded in, just fill it with the year the organization was founded, with the mission of, then you put your mission. Since our inception, we have accomplished. Currently, we are seeking to funding support our program. Then you put the name of your program. You just fill in the details. The bots has just put everything in the code, so you have to fill it with their own details. So this marvelous, this amazing. I've never seen a bot doing something like this. Yeah, it is incredible. So I'm going to ask the bot again to write for me a script, like, as I'm assuming I'm a website developer. I'm just going to ask the bot to write for me a JavaScript code, HTML code, CSS code that can be used to calculate. So I'm just going to ask the bot to write for me a calculator code, assuming I want to develop an app that can help people to calculate things. So I'm just going to ask the bot right in front of you here to write for me a JavaScript code, HTML code, and CSS. Let's do it. Just say create for me a calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Please separate the files. So the bot will just generate, it will code for us this website, and we just have to copy and paste that. We just host our website. There's no wasting time of coding, reading a lot of books, watching YouTube videos. Here the bot is here to code for us everything, even complex JavaScript that very many people used to fear. Let's do it. So the bot is doing its task. It is still writing for us the code. This is the HTML code that we are going to use it in our calculator. In our calculator app, this is the CSS, as you can see. For those of you who know computer programming, if you know computer programming, this board can also be used for writing coding and other programming languages in computer. As we can see, this is the CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. Then HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Then JavaScript is a programming language by itself. So I'm not going to demonstrate how we can host the file, the calculator app, but this is the code. Here you just have to copy, then you paste, then you put it. Those who know computer programming or the website developers know how to deal with these codes. So this one is, it's a JavaScript code. You have just to copy, then you just paste it, then you name it in any name. You can just say app.js. Then this is the CSS code. As we can see, this HTML, so you can just copy and you paste it somewhere we want to use it. This CSS, and if you test this code, it is going to work like a calculator in your phone or online. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me, for supporting this channel. Always check on the channel. I'll be dropping new video each and every time about technology around the world in Uganda. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.